Hello children, today I am going to take lesson 8 Materials and Solutions from the book of Interactive Science. Lesson 8 Materials and Solutions. Everything living and non-living is made up of matter. Matter is anything such as solid, liquid or gas. The two important characteristics of matter are: first, matter has weight. This means that everything in the world has weight. Number two, matter occupies space. Everything in the world needs some space to fit in. If you take an empty box and you keep your toy or your pencil box in it, you will be able to see that your toy or your pencil box has occupied the space. It means matter occupies space. It means everything in the world occupies space. Now, solvent. You can see a glass of water. Water is a solvent. Water is liquid. A liquid in which a solid can dissolve is called a solvent. Take a glass of milk, add a spoonful of sugar in it and mix it nicely. The sugar you added dissolved in milk. So, milk is also a solvent. Then solute. Solute is solid. A solid which dissolves in a solvent is called a solute. Here, sugar is the solute. You can see the picture here. These are the pictures of solute, solvent and solution. This is the picture of solute, picture of Bournvita. If you take a spoonful of Bournvita and mix it in a solvent, a cup of milk, milk is a solvent, add Bournvita or solute in a solvent or in a cup of milk. The mixture of solute and solvent become solution. There are two types of liquids: miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. Now, miscible liquids. The liquids which dissolves in water are called miscible liquids, such as spirit, alcohol, glycerine are the examples of miscible liquids. Then, immiscible liquids. The immiscible liquids are those liquids which do not dissolve in water, such as oil. Oil is immiscible liquid because it do not dissolve in water. Now, aerated drinks. Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, Apple Fizz are the fizzy drinks. They are aerated drinks. Some gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide can dissolve partially in water. Carbon dioxide is dissolved in a drink to make it fizzy. These drinks are called aerated drink. The soluble and insoluble substances. Soluble substances are those substances which dissolve in water, and insoluble substances which do not dissolve in water. The substances which get dissolved in water are called soluble substances, and the substances which do not get dissolved in water are called insoluble substances. Water is a very good solvent. Water is called a universal solvent. Tea, lemonade, salt, sugar, glucose are the examples of soluble substances. They mixed in the water easily. Sand. Now, how to remove insoluble substances? The insoluble substances can be removed from the water by sedimentation, decantation, and also by filtration. Now, sedimentation. Take a glass of water, mix some sand in it. Now let it stand for about 15 minutes. The sand is heavier than water and also insoluble. So it settles down at the bottom. The sand has formed sediment at the bottom. The water above it is clear or clean. Decantation. The second step is decantation. Slowly pour the clean water into another glass. Take care not to let the sediment flow out. This pouring out of the clean water, leaving the sediment behind, is called decantation. Now filtration. You can see the diagram of filtration. Take a funnel, put a filter paper on it, then pour in some sandy water. The sand gets left behind in the funnel. It has been filtered out. Clear water goes through the paper. This is filtered water. You can see the drops of water in the jar, in the glass. This water is filtered water. It is clear water. Now evaporation. Soluble solids or solute are separated from water by evaporation. Take a pan, put some salt and water in it, mix it nicely, then heat a solution of salt and water. The solvent, that is water, becomes vapor and escapes into the air. The solute, that is salt, is left behind. This is called evaporation. Now we have finished this chapter. Children, I have given some homework, question answers and exercises in the worksheet. Please do it in your science copy. Thank you so much. May God bless you.